Hey guys, Deepak here. It's still pre-spawn and it's super windy. I've been catching a lot of dinks in the pre-spawn, and the pre-spawn is supposed to be about big fish. Where are they? Antonio caught 2 good fish the other day. I just got dinks in the crappie. Let's see if I can go out on the super windy day here at one of my favorite honey holes and see if I can get a decent bass. Let's do it! Not yet. Anywhere is as good as the next. Yeah. I mean, you could try along the road. There's a couple spots. If you go back there, there's like a peninsula that kind of sticks out. I've seen guys catch fish there. The rest of it, I mean, this section is good. In the middle here is real shallow, so you're not going to catch much there besides pickerel maybe. That bank along that over there is usually good. So, yeah, try it all. Yeah, you too. Oh, he pulled it right out. That was a beautiful fish. I saw that too. That was a 2. Holy. No. 2.6? 2.6, baby! Chatterbait. Had to get the fish through this thick accumulation of trees and leaves and stuff. It came right off. Plop! I stepped right in that water, man. I need a big one. Fish. Oh, it's a bass. Yeah, number 2! Not going anywhere with that hook. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2 is 2.2. Number 2 is 2 pounds, 2 ounces. Bam! Bam! Thank you. Go make some babies. Bam! Well, I got kicked out of the park over there by the cops. Let's try this place real quick. This is where Antonio was catching them yesterday. Here it is. Guess it was worth it. Two one. 2 pounds, 1 ounce. Okay, let's put this guy back. Let him go. Let him go. Let him grow. I love the taste of bass on the lips. All right, let's get him in the water. Bye-bye. Bam! All right, that's it. Temperature dropped like 5-10 degrees, cold. Today was super windy. Today was good because I caught some good pre-spawn fish. I got 3, all 3 are over 2 pounds. Got kicked out of my favorite spot. It's gonna be tough this year because if that spot is closed down, that's one of the best bed fishing lakes in New Jersey. I'll have to find something better or something I'll have to find something different. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell for notifications. Eagle Scout, out. All right, that wraps up some pre-spawn action. This year is going to be a good year. I can feel it. I always feel it's going to be a good year until it's not.